boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. Thank you very, very much, my friends, for joining me. The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor, my friends. I don't give stock advice, my friends. I'm an author. I put it in black and white, so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. You can go to Amazon.com. You can get any of the books, my friends. We are doing a new trade that I'll tell you about here in a second, my friends. But what an up and down week in the market, my friends. It's a beautiful day here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, guys. We'll talk about the market here in a second, but it is just, what, like 55, 60 degrees or so, what, 15, 16 degrees or so Celsius. It is just a good sunny day. I know a lot of you right now are in, you know, colder weather. Let's say that much. Freezing weather all over the world, especially in America, especially back east. I tip my baby knockout hat to you because I know it's very, very cold where you are. And friends, I hope you are warm here. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I fail to ask people all the time to hit the subscribe button or you know, become a subscriber, because I know a lot of people don't subscribe. You hit Mickey D from time to time. I know the deal. I'm here for the long run, you guys. I'm not going anywhere. I know people come and people go. That's just the way it is when it's YouTube, my friends. And when the stocks go up, you have a lot of people look at the videos. When the stocks are down, you have a lot of people don't really look at the videos. But I'm gonna give you some updates, guys, on our sectors here in a second here, my friends. But as you know, we had an up and down week. A lot of our stocks are below their 200-day moving average. We've been chronicling that. You guys know I like the stocks to be above the 200-day moving average so things can happen. Our uranium stocks are still pretty much, for the most part, all of them are under their 200-day moving average. We've been looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average with the diamonds, DIA, just above the 200-day moving average. We've been looking at the NASDAQ, which is below its 200-day moving average, with the QQQs, and we've been looking at SPY, which is the S&P 500, which is just above its 200-day moving average, my friends. That's the general tone out there right now with our stocks, guys. Gold is just above 1,800. Kind of neutral or so, guys. Silver, 22.5 or so. It's just doing its thing. You know, up and down, up and down. A lot of volatility, up and down, up and down. Gold is due for a breakout. That's all I can say. Gold is due for a breakout. Make sure you have your stocks. Investing in gold today without being cheated is one. It has baby knockouts in it, guys. It's worth your weight in gold there, my friends. It is. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin's over 40K now, right? Our Bitcoin baby knockouts look like they're due for a breakout. If Bitcoin goes up 40, 45, 50, you know, on these weekends, you know, it does things crazy. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. And our three baby knockouts in investing in Bitcoin, currency stocks to buy. You don't need a wallet or anything, my friends. These are the stocks. But those stocks may be breaking out. Who knows? Some of those stocks, you know, Bitcoin is very volatile, up and down, up and down, up and down. Don't get caught up, my friends. This could be a little bull trap for you. You never know when it comes to Bitcoin, my friends. You never really know. My friends, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be, and the guy says, Mickey D, you say my friend too many times, my friend too many times. I'll tell you here about our new trade here, what's going on here in a second here. You say my friend, my friend. Okay, I think I'll say my enemy this time. My enemy, my enemy. Well, get a phone call, and then I'll have an enemy. Yeah, I need a phone call. Somebody please call. But my friends, my enemies. the new trade. Let me talk about cannabis here for a second here, because I really author had said, you know, something about the cannabis trade, and the reason I singled out author's been around for a long time, and when I get the generations and their kids listen to the show also and have done fairly well, you know, they say, hey, Mickey D, what's going on, you know, with the cannabis thing, guys. I'm glad to see Angela and so many others have kind of let the Mexico cannabis trade go, because those stocks are doing horribly. Let me tell you, we need legislation, guys, like yesterday. We've got the best and the brightest and the stocks that we made a lot of money on in the past. So that's like Cannabis. It's gone from $60 to $6. True Leaf, like $53 to like $18. You got Green Thumb Industries from $40 to $16. These are some of our favorite stocks, guys. Planet 13 from $8 to like $2. We need legislation, and that's what's going to happen here. You got a lot of companies out there that are unregulated right now. They've gone to, you know, Chris and Curtis right now in the street, and everybody's getting their weed now from other places and stuff, you know. When if you don't have regulations out there, then it's wild again. And our Mexico cannabis trade, the Mexico legislators, the American legislators have failed us all the way on cannabis, believe me. I mean, it's not the first sector that they failed. As I deal with the Sound of Freedom, they're getting ready for Mr. Putin over there. I think there's going to be a little bit of noise made here sooner rather than later. We won't get into those politics, guys. We'll stay away from that. But our focus here, as we go through this area, and I wouldn't touch that trade, guys, unless there's legislation. Legislation, you go all in. I'm talking about in America. Legislation, you go all in on some of these companies. Otherwise, you know, our focus is going to be in an area about this. Somebody driving through here. An area, my friends, about 3 miles. I'm sorry. Not 3 miles, about 3 hours drive to the northwest of where I am right now. You see, there's an area up there, man, that's just loaded with that white gold, that lithium, man. Fairly easy to explore, you know, and put in production and all that. It's going to be faster. There's going to be less cost, my friends. We're talking about clay deposits in my backyard. Now, you guys know, I know Nevada. You guys know I live in Nevada. And you guys know I was running around. I've been running around this state for a long time, guys. And one thing I've come up with is I've met a lot of good people, you know, and I visited a company. At least I thought I was going to visit a company yesterday. And it turned out to be a paper company. It's not really a company, but it's 20 cents. So I will be outing that company to my private students, of course. It may go up. Do you guys, you that have been with me for a while, Izzy, Angela, you guys know, this is maybe, what, 3 or 4 years ago? Now I'm talking to my OGs out there. 3 or 4 years ago, we had a company in Arizona that I visited. It was a cannabis company. The company was over $13. And I had to report back that the company was going to zero. It was not going anywhere because it was a paper company, guys. Guys, when I tell you a company is a paper company, you just have to, you know, if you call and you talk to the secretary or you talk to somebody at their house or, you know, somewhere in some other country or something, believe me, these things are set up so smooth that they can snow anybody. That's why I'm boots on the ground. That's why during the .coms, when we were doing this, we went and knocked on doors, guys. Sometimes you gotta kick that door. You gotta find out. You gotta look under the hood. You gotta find out what's going on with that company. And I did visit one, and it wasn't nothing happening there, you know. But I'm very, very excited about what's going on in Nevada right now. Did you see that press release from Spearmint Spearmint Resources today. That was a very, very good press release from them. And all these companies out here, guys, since there's just a boatload of lithium out here, plenty to take care of, actually take care of the world. Nevada can take care of the world when it comes to lithium. We want these baby knockouts that have made discoveries, that are onto something, guys. You know, these big time clay deposits out here are just that. They're there, man. I mean, sooner or later, you guys know, and I want to thank all of you for participating in investing in a lithium baby knockouts now. That it's not for resale. It's this little book right here, my friends. I want to thank all of you. And if you haven't had a chance to pick it up, pick it up. It does have like 15 baby knockouts with 2 bonus ones that will be going into production in the next 12 months. Believe me when I tell you guys, the EV sector right now is heating up. It's going to be super hot. And a lot of these stocks, especially in Nevada, guys, a lot of these stocks, which are very, very low right now, these stocks are super duper low, they're going to be going up much higher in the future. So, you know, don't say I didn't tell you or I hid it in a book or something. No, I'm not. And I'm visiting these companies. I have been visiting these companies here for the past year or so. And we have a list of companies that are right in the book. It's right in the book that are legitimate, and it's going to be on. This is going to be a super trade, guys. We're hearing now that there are companies, you know, trying to get there are car companies right now. I'm talking about electric cars being built, guys. I'm talking about clean energy. I'm talking about you know, solar panels. You know, I'm talking about areas, guys, that some car companies right now have stopped taking orders. They've got orders so backed up, and hey, what are they going to need? These 1,000-pound batteries, guys, are going to need lithium. You know, and like I said, we have one already that is straight lithium. It's not using nickel or anything else, or cobalt or anything in some of these batteries, guys. So we're at the early stages, and you know, people are juggling and trying to get position, but we are friendly in Nevada. These companies are prime time. These companies are ready, guys. These companies, I can't tell you how ready these companies are in Nevada from talking and visiting some of these places over the last year or so. Nevada is primed and ready. Investing in lithium baby knockouts now. Yeah, I'll probably have to make a visit USA, Canada, Chile, Australia, Argentina, Chile. I will have to, you know, China. I will have to make a trip to Chile down there to see what's really going on, you know. And I want you guys to support me too, because I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna be boots in the ground, and I'm gonna ask the questions, guys. And we're gonna see how these companies are, because I know what's going on right here in Nevada. Not only do we have but junior silver mining stocks ready to explode. You guys make sure you get a copy of that. That's got some baby knockouts in it also, guys. You know, I don't want to be pushing books on you guys, but that's where I can't sit here and tell you and go over 20 different companies that are, you know, baby knockouts in here that are ready, primed and ready. So that information is in the books, guys, and everything is under $10. So I mean, you're not going to break the bank here, you know, if you get 5 books at one time. Don't worry about it. You know, there's people that you know, they give these out as gifts. You know, here, this is start early. But, you know, authors got his son. I've hit his son. His son hits me, you know, and maybe his son's son will be this generational thing, guys. This investing thing, especially when you're slow, you kind of, you know, methodical about it. You just take it easy, and you know, just it's a long game, guys. With uranium is a long trade. I told you before on a video, this is not a peek in and peek out trade, guys. And I hope I prepared you. I told you you had to have a strong stomach. I told you when I traded, this is my 3rd uranium bull market, and when I traded Denison Mines, I mean, it was just wild, up and down, up and down, up and down. Denison was really, really, you know, tested your nerves there, guys and gals. But you'll make it out. Everything will be fine. The sun, God willing, will rise in the morning, and all will be well with you and your trading. Once again, volatility next week. Expect volatility next week. Let's take care of our responsibility, our duty, guys. Our duty. Let's do it. If you haven't already, you know, help out with the scoop and help out with the baby knockouts. You know, and maybe a review or something after you've read the book, and maybe take a look at the important thing though is those stocks, guys. Those stocks are what we're gonna be living off of here in a, you know, for the next couple of years or so, as this market matures. As some of these stocks have gone way down in uranium, right? As they mature and go back up, which they will, my friends. I've seen this rodeo before, you know, but many haven't. I've traded it, you know, and there's a lot to say about, you know, theories in a book and different things, and studying this. I traded it. So this is not, that's why I get in early. See, when it goes up to $1 or $5 and I was in at 20 cents, I don't have a conniption fit or something, or, you know, I don't get depressed or anything like that. I don't depression. You know, I've been there. We've all been there every day. Well, I can't say I've really been, you know, had anxiety, put it that way, when they go down. But the key though is getting in early and then hanging on. So we've got, I'll give an example. Look at Energy Fuels. Look at you. Well, from I had a 3-year stretch there. Where is it? Like 2017 was my first purchase at like 80, 90 cents or something, up to like 2020 or so. I think that's, I was looking at my account here just a little while back. But that, you know, that's a long time to hold on to a stock, and when it dips, go ahead and purchase it. You know, purchase on the pullbacks. That's a long time. But you hold on to it, and now the stock is like $6, $7 USD, and I'm still so low. I'm still hundreds of % up, even as it comes down. Sure, I took some off the table a few months ago, but you're still up and you're not going crazy, guys. Yeah, sure, if it goes down to 3 or something, I'll get some more. If it goes down to 2, I'll get some more. But just have, you know, you gotta, I'm a little chubby, but you gotta have strong stomach, man. You gotta be able to withstand those major pullbacks, my friends. And some can be really just off the chain. You know, you just want to call and go crazy. But anyway, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends. Once again, if you have time this weekend, go ahead and throw in a little review, do your thing, my friends. Also, take a look at some of those companies in there. Nevada, some are have projects here and there, and Chile, and you know, Argentina and Australia and stuff. Those are very good companies, my friends. Good baby knockouts that will do us justice, I believe, days, weeks, months, and years to come. That's all I had for you. That's the scoop for today. I want to thank you for joining me, my friends. Take care. God bless. Have fun.